system in India, because also a street mother, he told me that when they get sick, it's a government hospital. Yeah, they don't accept everyone, and they will just leave them to die on the street.
No. I am working with an NGO, and I work in a station platform just outside the station premises, and there is a government hospital beside the station. I took lots of people to the hospital and they gave them proper medication. It's not also
injection. Me one time is coming hospital. My is one very good person, one my friend is auntie, also sugar also, and leg is very big. I'm coming to hospital and talk to big main doctor. Sir is very problem, is please looking. You're talking, okay, you go, I'm coming. You not coming here, my office, my room. I'm okay, sir. I'm waiting. 1 hour is waiting. It's not coming. Again I'm coming, sir, please. It's very serious. He's very angry, his doctor. Me is very angry. Why you not coming? Here sitting, smoking. Is coming, looking, only for no touch. Is patient only to touch anything? No. Only for looking. Okay. And all junior doctor is looking. What happened? What side pain? What side pain? It's touch and injection. And here is blood. So it's not me. New junior. I'm not my experience. What side I'm blood? I'm not sure. Here pushing. So many is injection pushing. All people. All is. This woman is very serious. All new doctor, junior doctor is talking and also talking. What happened? What side pain? What first time? So many people. One time, so many people is question. Patient is very. What happened? Is people is 2-3 days finish is dead, die. And one time is coming. Doctor is only for 1 week. Monday is coming. And again Friday coming, big doctor. All patient too, so many patient here is sitting. Why doctor not coming? I'm looking to his government hospital, not good. His doctor is good. His doctor is not perfect work.
I mean, a hospital can only heal the sick, right? If a person gets sick, we can bring him to the hospital, we can heal him, we can make him alright, but then we can't keep him forever. So a person, if he's well now, we'll have to let him go. The fact is they'll go back to the streets. They'll stay there. Again after a few days they'll fall sick. They come back. And this process goes on. So a hospital is not the answer to the problem. The problem is providing them with proper shelter, proper food, like that. That a hospital can't do. We are doing our best to heal the sick people. If someone on the street has an accident, then he's brought here, he's given treatment for free. We don't charge money. We treat the person, when he's fine, then we let him go. But then he goes back to the street. He doesn't have a home to go back to. So he'll fall sick again. So the problem is not with the hospital, it's with the social structure here. I mean, the social security structure. We don't have some home, we have very few homes for the poor where they provide them with shelter and food. There are very few of them. We need more of them. Ultimate goal should be to provide everyone with basic standards of living.
The government.
Yes. And I mean at least shelter and food for all. Shelter, food and clothing. But India is facing the huge problem of population. It's a huge problem. It is increasing every day. So the first step that needs to be done is to bring the population under control. Only after that can we think about doing something for the street people. Otherwise, I mean, taking small measures won't be enough. Just a few private NGOs, I don't think, yes, they do make a difference, but that is very small. Until the government looks into this matter very carefully, and that will slowly happen.
because our government can't help the poor people directly. They need some media to help them, and the media is not working. Whatever they should do, they are not doing their work properly.
Why are they not doing properly? Are they taking the money for themselves?
That I can't say properly because I am not involved in them. But there is some reason. They're taking some money from the projects, they're taking some money for their personal purpose from the government. That's why the NGOs are doing their work.
Solution to so many solution, and it's looking to government. Is government not looking? Not possible. Here any government is coming, this new government is coming, okay, I'm all coming to is vote time, election time is coming, okay, I'm this one, I work, I do this one, so many promise, and it's finished election, is back to one seat, okay, no, sleeping, eat, and all time Europe tour. It's monthly, and it's Indian basic, and for government is little bit good and position. Is son, daughter also Europe college you reading, writing, and India is so bad. Poor people, no school, not good, not good water, and not good bathroom.